Have you ever been in the middle of a workout and your Fitbit or your fitness watch starts sliding around on your wrist because you're just dripping with all that exertion? Well, I have the solution for you. I wear these playing tennis, and they're great for any kind of sport. And I live in Florida, so it's always wise to have sweatband protection, let me tell you. But if you're wearing one of those watches, it keeps it in place. So your smartwatch or your Fitbit doesn't slide all over the place. And when you buy them, now I've been using these, as you can see, it's not a full pack right now, but I've had this for almost 2 years. So this has been through the laundry quite a few times. And if you compare it to the color on the original ones, you'll see it keeps its color. All right, it's cotton, so there's no other materials in it. It's just cotton, so it's very absorbent, it's breathable, made in the USA. So these are 2-ply, they're extra plush, they're comfortable without being too tight, they don't slide around, they don't cut off circulation. So you can use it for any kind of sports. You can use it for archery, you just use it for house cleaning if you want to. Whatever sport you're into. But I really would recommend these. They're a good size. Like there's some that are smaller, some that are bigger, but these are perfect for me. And they're absorbent, and as I mentioned, they're made in the USA. So if you're tired of wiping sweat off with your shirt, this is a no-brainer. Just get these and you'll be so glad you did. They're definitely worth it. I give them a big thumbs